Hey there, future Real Deal MPs. I'm Kaitlyn, and I am the FNP content lead here at SMNP Reviews. And I just want to talk to you about and show you our wonderful primary care question bank. You can grab it on its own, but if you're in our complete self prep or our live study group, lucky you, it's already included. So first, let me just say that this isn't just any QBank. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my very favorite features and why our questions don't just test you, they teach you as well. So just imagine this. You have wrapped up one of our cardiovascular modules, or maybe you're just studying on your own. You're feeling pretty good. So now what? The very best thing you can do to lock it all in is do practice questions. It's like sealing the deal in your brain. So let's go ahead and head into the question bank and build a custom practice set together. So just for some quick stats, we've got 1,000 unique questions plus 5 full-length practice exams. And those exams are completely separate from the question bank. They're built straight off the AANP and ANCC blueprints. So when you sit down for the real thing, you're going to feel right at home. So let's go ahead and create a practice set. Let's name it Cardio Focus. You can name it whatever you want. Now you're going to choose your question type. Unused are fresh questions, so questions you've never seen before. Incorrect means, we just want to target our weak spots. Flagged, and then all questions, whether you've seen them or not. Now, for categories, filter what you want to practice. For our adult Giro friends, a pro tip here is just unclick pediatrics if you want strictly adult content. Now let's talk about mode. Exam mode is going to mimic the real thing, so you're not going to get rationales or feedback until the very end. Tutor mode gives you immediate feedback and is always untimed. For time, you can choose timed or untimed for exam mode. Now, before I jump in, if you are a part of one of our courses, our crash course, our complete self-prep, or our LSG, I want to show you that once you create it, if you click pause and go back to the study planner, you can see that it's actually added right into my calendar, and then I can click back into it later on. So let's go ahead and open this one. One of the things I love about our platform is how interactive it is. Just like your board exam, you can highlight, underline, or strike through parts of the question and answer choices. And if it's a question you're just not ready to answer yet, you can go ahead and flag it and come back later. Another handy tool is this little lab values icon. You can click it and see all the normal lab ranges right there. So no flipping back and forth. It's all built in. Now let's say you're working through this one. When you submit, you'll notice something on the right-hand side called peer comparison. This shows you how your performance stacks up against other learners who answered the same question, and it's a great way to gauge how challenging the question really is. Below the question, you'll see detailed explanations. These are written to teach as you go, not just give you the right answer. And we really encourage you to read every single explanation. It's like a mini lesson built into each question. But what if you're still unsure, even after reading the explanation? That is where one of my very favorite features comes in. Blue is our friendly AI tutor, and Blue doesn't just hand you the answer. It's going to guide you through the question to help you think through the problem step by step, kind of like having a 24/7 NP tutor sitting right next to you. You'll type your response, and Blue pushes you to reason through, and you'll always walk away with a deeper understanding of the concept. Now, let's go ahead and move on to another question. I'm going to intentionally change my answer here so that you can see this feature. The platform will actually tell you if you changed your answer. So why does that even matter? Because most of the time, when students change their answers without a strong reason, they change it from right to wrong. So here's a board tip for you. Go with your gut, especially if you know that you've prepared well. And let's say you get stuck and you just need a human. I get that. You can use our Ask an Expert NP feature. Your question will go directly to one of the members of our NP content team, and you'll hear back within a business day or two with some feedback. Now, once you finish a practice set, you will see a full score report. And this is where the real magic happens. You will get your overall performance on that set a breakdown of how many you got correct, incorrect, or skipped, and even a question summary showing which ones you flagged or missed. You can click directly into that missed question and review it again. The score report also breaks down performance by category so that you can spot your strengths and weaknesses. You'll even see details like which questions you flagged, how often you changed answers, and how much time you spent on each one. All of this helps you study smarter, not harder. And remember those 5 full-length exams I mentioned earlier? They are right here in the Exams tab. These are completely separate from the question bank and are designed to look and feel just like the real thing. We've even built them using the AANP and ANCC blueprints. So if you're taking ANCC, you'll see more professional role questions in this exam, just like you would on test day. So that's the QBank. It's a tool that doesn't just test you, it actually teaches you. Now, if you want to see how our analytics work, check out that video next. Now, if this walkthrough was helpful, make sure you subscribe and check out all of our NP prep resources at npreviews.com. And whether you're practicing one question on your phone, in line at the pharmacy, or running a full-length exam at your desk, this QBank is built to help you feel confident and ready for test day. We cannot wait to see you succeed and become the real deal NP.